Welcome to the best picks. The best neon drawing board is probably one of the most exciting and innovative art supplies to hit the market in years, offering a vibrant, luminous canvas for self-expression and creativity, perfect for artists of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals, unleashing a world of colorful possibilities and allowing you to create stunning, eye-catching artwork that glows with an otherworldly radiance, making it an ideal tool for both casual doodling and serious artistic endeavors. Number 5. Marvin's Magic Neon Glow Kit. It's time to get creative with this neon glow art kit. Let your imagination run wild with futuristic patterns and bright neon colors. This kit takes drawing to a whole new level. It includes a neon drawing board with a built-in stand and 4 fluorescent magic pens for endless possibilities. It's a science kit, a magic set, and an art kit all in one. Have fun creating magical neon art and learning how the effect is made. Looking for a fresh and exciting activity? This kit is perfect. It's easy to use and will keep kids entertained for hours. Marvin's Magic offers a wide variety of magical and creative kits. Discover more exciting products to spark your child's creativity. What we like? It boasts vibrant neon colors and comes with fluorescent magic pens to create dazzling effects. With 36 different flash modes, it offers endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to unleash your creativity, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The different color light settings change the ink colors and is very vivid and bright in a darkened room. It is lovely and handy, but the only thing that my girls found it hard was wiping it, however they gradually used to deal with that. Also das Tablet funktioniert sehr gut, es gibt mehrere Arten es Lüchten zu lassen. Verschiedene Farben oder auch blinken. Die Stift sind auch gut, es mal sich leicht auf der Flash. Man kann es wie ein Bilderrahmen anschließend aufstellen und die Lüchten lassen. Number 4. Hosim LED Message Board. It's perfect for restaurants, shops, or events. With its vibrant colors and flashing modes, it's sure to grab attention. Writing and erasing is a breeze. Its smooth surface makes creating eye-catching messages simple and fun. Choose from 16 colors and 4 flashing modes to customize your message. Adjust the brightness to suit your needs. Hang it horizontally or vertically, the choice is yours. It's designed for both style and convenience. It's not just for advertising, kids will love using it as a creative drawing board. Adult supervision is recommended for children. This LED board is built to last. Enjoy its energy-efficient design and vibrant display for years to come. What we like? Its extra-large size provides ample space for various uses, from restaurant menus to event announcements. The multiple flashing modes and color options add a dynamic visual appeal. If you need a versatile and eye-catching display solution, this is your best bet. What people say. The board has different lighting capabilities, so it shows the pens in various colors. It's bigger than my last board too, so I can get everything that we are doing written down. It has a plug, as well as the capability to use batteries. It came with pens and a cloth for cleaning. It even has a remote control. The contrast of the black board with the fluorescent markers when lit up is awesome. Writing shows up well as long as direct bright light isn't competing. All the flashing settings aren't for me, but it's nice to choose the color steady on for different themed messages in different colors. Number 3. LED Message Board Neon Sign. It's the perfect blend of modern technology and classic charm. This versatile board is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for any occasion. With its convenient USB power connection, it's ready to use wherever you need it. Simply plug it in, write your message, and wipe it clean. It boasts 16 dazzling colors and 4 dynamic flashing modes, allowing you to customize your message to match any mood or event. Adjust the brightness for optimal visibility. Say goodbye to messy chalk dust. Use the included liquid chalk markers for a clean and effortless writing experience. It's the eco-friendly choice. From holidays and parties to everyday use, it's versatile enough to enhance any setting. Use it at home, in the office, or even at your business. It's more than just a sign, it's a drawing board, a menu board, and a creative outlet. The possibilities are endless. What we like? It's incredibly user-friendly, with a simple design that makes creating and erasing artwork a breeze. The vibrant LED lights and multiple flashing modes add a fun, dynamic touch. If you want a simple yet effective tool for various uses, this one is for you. What people say. It came with a remote, battery included, markers, and a microfiber cloth. The lighting was vibrant and there's a little remote that can change the lighting color of the board and the flashing patterns. What I didn't know, it came with its own set of markers. Color choices, flash or not, color pen choices, it's all endless. Number 2. Discovery Kids Neon Glow Easel. It has built-in LED lights that make your drawings vibrant and colorful. Watch your imagination come to life. 6 washable markers are included, and they interact with the light to create amazing illuminated effects. Cleanup is a breeze. Choose from 5 different light modes to enhance your artwork and match your mood. Experiment and have fun. Use the built-in easel for tabletop display or mount it on the wall to show off your masterpieces. It's versatile and adaptable to any space. Measuring just 11x17.25, it's easy to transport and store. The integrated marker storage keeps everything organized, perfect for travel. It's an electronic drawing activity that's both fun and educational. Kids will love creating and expressing themselves with light and color. What we like. The washable markers and 5 light modes make creating illuminated artwork a mess-free and enjoyable experience. Its compact size and portability make it ideal for travel or on-the-go fun. If you are looking for a portable and convenient drawing option for kids, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Very well made and easy to store. It lights up and has different modes, solid light, flashing different speeds, etc. Easy to clean. The backlight is a great touch for pictures. Number 1. LED Dry Erase Board. It's the perfect blend of art and technology. This innovative board lets you create and erase artwork effortlessly. Use it indoors or outdoors. It features a convenient USB port, allowing you to connect to a power bank or wall outlet. With vibrant neon LED lights in multiple settings, it's easy to create stunning visuals. Let your imagination run wild. It offers 16 neon colors, 4 flashing modes, and 5 brightness levels. The included liquid chalk markers make writing smooth and easy. Say goodbye to messy chalk dust. The liquid chalk markers wipe clean easily, leaving no residue. Use it for home decor, parties, or business promotions. It's ideal for restaurants, shops, and events. What we like. This board features vibrant LED lights and comes with multiple colors of liquid chalk markers for endless creative options. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for both kids and adults. If you're looking for a versatile and fun drawing experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Arrived today and worked perfectly out of the box. Very easy to set up, everything is intuitive. It is the second LED board I've purchased recently, and seems like much better quality than another brand I purchased and returned last week. The size is large enough for plenty of drawing space, and still fits on his lap. The color is very vibrant, and it has quite a few flashing, fading, and color modes. It came with 8 chalk markers, remote, cleaning cloth, hanging chain, power cable, and instructions. The markers work well on the glass surface, and the surface is easy to clean. Because this surface is glass, I am hoping there will be less scratching, if any, to the surface from regular use, unlike a plexiglass surface. The 16x12 board we received did come with 2 cleaning cloths, as well as a 6-pack of chalk markers. The board also came with a power cord that uses a USB adapter, a chain for hanging, and a remote with batteries. The liquid chalk markers are vibrant even without the board plugged in, but the LEDs make everything pop in a spectacular way. The hangers for the device felt solid, the ability to hang it either vertically or horizontally is appreciated, and the included hanging chain was a nice addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.